Hello guys, you are welcome to my channel. If today is your first time of being here, you are welcome. We are going to be making this cap today that you will rock in your house. You are welcome. Thank you for coming. So guys, we are going to be needing this material. This beautiful material is what I'm going to be using. You can decide to use one material. So another thing that we are going to be needing is rubber band and scissors and chalk and tape. So you have to spread it on the table. Just spread it all around. Spread it like this way I'm spreading it. You just spread it. If you know how to cut flared, you use flared way. But if you don't know how to cut flared, you just fold it into two this way and follow this step. But if you feel that this one is too stressful for you, you just want to do it very fast, use train, not a plate, train, like a round something, any round plate. I'm using 16 now. I'm going to use 16, but you can decide to use 14, you can decide to use 12, you can decide to even use 10, because I want mine to be big. So that is why I'm using 16. So you know I'm big now. I like my cap to be big. So so you just cut it round that way. 16 all round, you cut it off. But if you know this one will be stressful for you, that train or anything round, just place it on top of the material and just cut it. It will be fine. It will be okay. Yeah. The cap is trending now. I just love it. I said I can make it for myself. Even you too can make it yourself. You just use the chalk to draw the mark and just cut it all around. I said me can do it myself and you can do it too. If you don't have sewing machine, use needle, use your hand to just sew it round. It will still bring out the same result. It will still bring out the same result. So you just cut it round that way, the way I'm cutting it now. Be careful so that the cloth will not shift. You just cut it round. That is it. Put it to practice. It's not difficult, it's simple as ABCD. So just open it like this. After opening it, you see it is a circle now, just a circle, and this is one circle. I'm going to be using this one to cut the other material, which is this. So I'm going to place it on top and put the one I cut, I put it on top. I will use it to cut it out. Just simple as ABCD. But if you want to use round something, just place the two together, put the round train on top or any round material, just use it to cut it. You see the back and the back? No, you have to take the front and the front together and sew the back round. You will sew it round. You see this one is the right side, and the right side, they have to face each other, because when we are sewing it, we are going to turn it. So the right and the right have to face each other. Sorry, yes, this way you will have to face each other. You have to sew it very round. I'm having a runny nose. So you sew it all around. So guys, sorry, you that said I should send me a message for the another tutorial of cap. Don't worry, I will do it. I will do it. A lot of things I'm doing that people send to me that I will do. I will do it. Don't worry, just give me time, okay? So you just sew it round this way. Just sew it. Be careful with your hand, guys. Even though you don't even need to sew, you don't even need to be a professional to have sewing machine at home. As far you can move the machine, you are good to go, girl. As far you can move the machine. Sometimes you need it, maybe you have something to just sew very fast. So that is it. You see this opening place? This place is where we are going to we'll take the rubber band through there. So now we have to turn it. You just turn it out. Through that place that I open, we are going to turn it through there. So you see, I take the scissors, I use it to be turning it. So you just turn it out this way. Be careful so that you not tear the material. But if you feel like this, the hole will be too small for you, you can create more hole. But this is better for me. So after turning it, this is the way it will look. So now you have to sew the round. I want to sew it with 1 inch because I want the front to be a design for me. So you can decide not to sew it 1 inch. You can just decide to sew it ½ inch, but I'm sewing mine with 1 inch. So I will just sew it round 1 inch inside. Even you can decide to put 2 inch if you want 2 inches, if you want it to be more, the design to be more beautiful. Depends on the way you want. So if you see any design you love, you don't know how to make it, and you want to make it, just send it to me. I will definitely show you how to make it. Okay guys, yes, what we know, we help each other. I'm not a professional. There are people that know better than me, but the little I know, I will still let you learn from it. Okay, so you just sew it round this way, the way I'm sewing it now. So after sewing it, that place, you take your pin and hold it. You will just take another pin, put it at the other side. Just use it to hold the band, so that we can use it to hold the cloth not to shift when we are taking the band around it. You see the way I'm going to do it now. So we take it through there, but while the other side we will hook it, so that when we are drawing it, there will be no place to shift, since there is nobody there to help us. So that is the way you will do it. You see the way so it will not shift. So you start pulling, pushing it inside. So it's very simple. It's not difficult. But at the beginning you might see it that is very difficult, but it's not difficult. It's not difficult, guys. I hope you are seeing it clearly. I'm going to look for a way to set this camera. Sometimes it will make me white, sometimes it will make me black, I don't know. Sometimes it will not clear, but I will look for a way to set it. So this way, like this, is okay. This way, you have to lose the other one now. You can decide to sew your rubber band in the machine, but I decide to tie mine. I just want to tie it. I don't want any excuse. So you can decide to sew, but me, I prefer to tie mine. So that is it. You see the way it's very simple. You can do for yourself, you can do for your daughter too. Yeah, so it's very simple. I did one last time. This one is the one I can use. You just fold the inside, and nail it down. Just sew it on the machine. I do one last time for the wet one. For the one you want to bath with is the rubber type, while this one is a cloth type. Maybe you are cooking, you are at home, you just put it on your head. Yeah, that is what is trendy. You can do it yourself. Okay, so you see I just sewed there. that is it. That is it, guys. So I'm through. You see, now we have 2 cap in the same, on 1 cap. I can use it to form. I can decide to use the other side. I can decide to use the other side. Bye bye, guys. I love you.